We don't cut corners where it matters. Built for a day at the park or a day on the trail, the streamlined Journey PerfectFIT has all the comfort, safety, and versatility that you'd expect from Kelty, with all the essentials to make life easier for you and your little one. For the parent, our PerfectFIT torso adjustment system means quick, easy adjustments and a comfortable fit for both moms and dads. A padded mesh back panel, shoulder straps, and hip belt allow for breathability and comfort as you carry your precious cargo. When it's time to load up or unload, be sure to pop out the kickstand to keep everyone balanced. Here in the child seat, safety and comfort are always our top priorities, because let's be honest, if baby isn't happy, nobody's happy. The 5-point child harness and protective roll cage keep even the wiggliest little ones safely in place, while the wide seat and adjustable foot stirrups ensure comfort and proper support along the journey. The plush lining will keep your kiddo cozy, and the soft drool pad is removable and washable. Planning a hike somewhere sunny and exposed? No problem. This pack is compatible with our Journey Sunshade accessory. And because kids come with food stuff, sun stuff, diaper stuff, and more stuff, there's a large pocket to stuff their stuff. The mesh hip belt pocket is the perfect place to stash snacks and hold your phone, so you can take a quick peek at or selfie with your kiddo. So get out and share your love of the outdoors with your little one with the Journey PerfectFIT child carrier from Kelty.
Every Boppy product has a story. Hear that story from parents like you.
My favorite thing about the Carrier is that it's easy and quick to put on. There's not a lot of buckles. You can just set the baby in and head out.
From a safety perspective, this is perfect. She's extremely secure. I never feel like she's in any danger. She's not gonna fall.
Putting this on, I felt like, yes, mom can do this even by herself.
Everything you need to know about the Boppy ComfyFit Carrier.